Do you want to know how you can reset your course progress on Sololearn and restart again? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access Sololearn and how you can reset the course progresses. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Sololearn on any of the browser you have. Then log into your account and let's suppose you have selected some courses over here and you have started to learn it. So after you have started your course, if you go to your home page and scroll a bit down, you can see the course's progress over here. So if you want to start the course again, you can click on the play button and start the course once again. But if you want to start from the very beginning, want to reset it and want to restart the course, click on Manage. You can see the individual courses which you have started and haven't completed it yet. So you can see the in progress section. You can just go ahead and select the course which you want to reset. You can see the 3 lines button over here. You should click on Manage and click on the 3 lines and click on Restart Course. Or you can also click Delete again, and the previous course will be restarted or deleted if you once decide to start it. So you can go to Manage, go to the 3 dots or 3 lines and click Restart Course. Go ahead and click Restart again, and you can see that the course will be restarted from the very beginning once again. So guys, this is how you restart your course progress on Sololearn. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.